This is the Ulanzi O-LOCK phone case. I also have the hand grip here as well as the 65mm telephoto lens. For full transparency, Ulanzi did send me these as part of the tryout program, but they don't have any say in this video. Alright, let's first take a look at the case. They make this for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. The one I have here is specifically for the 15 Pro Max, and like all phone cases, it's designed to protect the phone. It has red accented buttons, and they don't rattle. And yes, MagSafe does still work with this case on. It comes with a hidden space on the inside for your SIM card, TF card, and ejector tool. Now I don't really use this section because the tool definitely makes a rattling sound, but mainly because physical SIM cards have been replaced with eSIMs. But it's nice that this was included for those that do use these. I just love the fact that they did something like this. I don't know why other companies haven't put something inside their phone case just like this. There's a little kickstand here that pops out. This is nice to have because you can sit on your desk horizontally or vertical mode. There's also a magnetic section here where you can attach Ulanzi's filters. I don't have any though, so you'll have to trust me. This case is designed to work with their O-LOCK system. They have a bunch of accessories that use this system. One accessory that I do have here is the Z stand. I like the stand because you can use it on its own as a stand, or you can hold it out like a short selfie stick. But it also has a built-in Arca Swiss plate as its base, so you can attach it to tripods. There's also thread mounts on the bottom so you can mount or attach it to something else. It's one of my favorite accessories. The case has notches or grooves down here where you can attach the shutter grip to it. It easily slides on and clicks into place. Then there's this little switch here where you can lock it so you don't accidentally take it off. And then when you want to remove it, just unlock it, press the button in, and it pops right off. This grip makes it so much more comfortable and natural when you're holding your phone to take photos and videos. This grip also has a Bluetooth shutter button. It can be used to start and stop videos or take photos. It can detach from the grip so you can use it wirelessly up to 15 meters. No more setting the timer, running into place, and not being ready for the shot. Or my favorite, setting the timer, running into place, and then realizing that you set the timer for way too long. The grip has quarter 20 thread mounts on the bottom and on the side so that you can attach it to things like a selfie stick or a tripod. One thing that I wish was on here though would be a cold shoe, so that you could easily attach a light or a microphone to it. But at least there's the option to rig something up with the thread mounts. Or you could attach something like this phone holder that has a cold shoe on it. So Ulanzi also sent me one of their lenses. They actually have 4 of them, but the one that they sent me though is a 65mm telephoto lens. This is really nice because it comes in this EVA case to protect it. Inside is the lens itself that has these lens protectors on it. It also comes with this attachment so you can use it with any smartphone. So you don't have to use their case in order to use their lenses. Now honestly, I feel like the lenses on smartphones these days are already great. I feel that lenses like these are made because our smartphones used to only have one lens on them. But now this iPhone has 3 lenses. A 13mm wide, a 120mm telephoto lens, and a primary 24mm. We're not going to talk about that 7 lens marketing gimmick. That being said, there's still a use for these lenses. The ultra-wide and tele are only 12 megapixels, but the primary is 48 megapixels. Yeah, I know megapixels aren't everything, but you definitely get better quality photos out of your primary than your other 2 lenses. So if you want to take photography and videography seriously, you're going to want to stick to that primary lens. Now the lens is from Ulanzi attached using the threads on the O-LOCK case. Or if you don't want to use this case, it also comes with this attachment, so you can pretty much use it with any smartphone. Now there's no threading on these lenses, so there's no way to attach like a filter to it, which kinda sucks. Anyways, let's take a look at some comparisons using the lenses on the iPhone versus using the primary camera with the Ulanzi lens attached to it. I've been using this setup for a few weeks now, and I really do like it. I recently went to Vegas and I wanted to leave all my camera gear behind and just enjoy the trip, but there's also no way I wasn't going to take any photos or videos while I was out there. This case and grip made it feel like I had my pro gear out there with me. Now this setup definitely has some weight to it. Even without the lens and grip attached to it, you're going to notice that weight in your pocket. I think that it could still be used as an everyday case, but just know it's going to be heavier than other cases. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions, but for now, I'm gonna go cry in the corner because I lost a lot of money in Vegas. Like, you don't understand how much I lost. See ya.